snack. Can you name that song? It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What do we have here? Oh, a banana and some yogurt. Yummy. And in the cupboard, I have some whole grain crackers and some berries. Berries. I wonder what we will make with all these healthy foods. First, I need some yogurt for our snack. Can you help me scoop it into this small bowl? It's just a little bit. This is how much we need. Wow. Now we need to stir the yogurt with this big spoon. It's a little bit hard to stir with this big spoon. Next, we're going to spread the yogurt on our cracker. We'll use our small spoon to spread the yogurt on top of the cracker. That's right. Now we can put some slices of banana on top of the yogurt, or we can put some berries on top of the yogurt. You can do it either way. Great job, helper. We did it. We made our healthy snack. Scoop, stir, spread, then snack. But remember, little helper, sometimes in the kitchen, grown-ups use sharp tools or hot stoves. It's not safe for little hands. But you can help with safe steps like scooping, stirring, and spreading. Look at you. You're getting so good at these healthy habits. Now let's take a bite of our yummy snack and see how it tastes. It tastes so good. Healthy snacks give us energy to play and grow. And it's even more fun when we share our snacks with our friends. Thank you for being my kitchen helper today. Can you pretend to stir? Can you scoop with your spoon? Can you take a healthy bite? It's time to clean up now. Wash your hands and put away all the tools. I was so happy to have you in the kitchen today. You're such a great